Alright guys, so here's my irrigation manifold. I can see I got the old quick connect set hooked up in there. Just gonna loosen it up, take it out. A little bit of moisture in there from when the sprinklers ran yesterday. And the clay doesn't like to take the water in all that quickly, so unfortunately I have to look into maybe doing some drainage. Maybe switching up some of the soil right around the manifold, but I don't want to go digging right now since I can't really seed. It's too late, and so springtime is not the best to do your seeding. So clean up that, get the Teflon tape off later. You can see here I have the Teflon tape here just to kind of create a nice little seal on there. I also have the Teflon tape here on the other end of the garden hose. So let's go ahead and quickly connect these. So get the male end of the garden hose connected to the female end, and then let's get this put on here. So I'm going to hand tighten this for now. Now, just going to grab my wrench, give it just a couple of turns until I know that it's on nice and tight. That should be good. Yep, can't move it with my hand, so I think we're good. So now we're going to pop the female part of the quick connect set in. And that's in. Now this is my aqua system, so you guys see. And now we're looking, no water coming out, perfect, we're good. So we see all my heads are going right now. There was a little bit of sputtering, probably because the pressure is trying to get built back up. But we can see right here, it looks like they are getting a little more pressure. I see them throwing a little bit farther than what they were before. But we can see this is all going perfectly well. We can see these are my MP rotator nozzles. It's getting pretty much well into the other head right there. I need to actually adjust this one because it is watering my concrete, which is not going to get the nice green color that I wanted to blend in with my yard. So here we go. We can see spraying out into the yard, going to both heads on the side there. So I think this is safe to say that these LE quick connectors are definitely the right choice. I already see some of the little water droplets coming from the last head on the line down there, pretty much to my hand right now. So yeah, I think these work a lot better than the Gorilla Easy Connect. Like I said, they're great. It's just it restricts the flow, which my house right now does not have the best flow, and these zones on my sprinkler head system, on my sprinkler system, were designed to achieve a certain water usage, gallons per minute per se. So I think when I restricted the flow there, I think it affected its performance, and I think we'll be back up and running 100% right now. So thanks for watching.